3, question number 40. Stars x and y have the same surface temperature. Right now, Dx is equal to y. Star x has a radius r and a distance d from the earth. Star y, distance of star y from the earth is d by 2. Okay, d by 2. I write as d by 2. Let me like this, and then let me write something. Right, dy is equal to d by 2. I'll write dx is equal to d. The apparent brightness of y, Ly, apparent brightness is By is double that of x. What is the radius of star y? So here it is r, and I do not know what is the value of ry. That's what we need. Now this is the problem clearly on astrophysics, which you already know. The moment you learn about apparent brightness. So let us start from here. So By is equal to 2 times dx. Now how do I write b? What is the formula for b? Ly divided by 4 pi dy square is equal to Lx 2 times Lx divided by 4 pi dx square. This is what it is. Okay. Now what is this Ly once again? Ly. What is Ly here? Ly, because it's a star, it is your luminosity, it is your intensity. This should be sigma Ax dx to the power of 4 divided by 4 pi dy square is equal to 2 times sigma y, right? X y. This is your Ax dx to the power of 4 divided by 4 pi dx to the power of 2. That's what I have. Now you see the sigma goes away, 4 pi goes away, and we know that Tx equal to Ty, so this also goes away. Now what is that I am left out? With this Ay, right? So Ay by dy square is equal to Ax 2 times Ax, I have a 2 here, divided by dx. That's what I am left out. Now we also know dx equal to d and dy is equal to d by 2. That is also known. So what is Ay? So spherical star. So I will write this as 4 pi r square is your surface area of a star. 4 pi ry square divided by dy is what? D square by 4. D square 4 is equal to 2 times dAx 4 pi into r square divided by dx square. What is dx square? D square. Right, d square also goes away. So this 4 pi also goes away. So what am I left out? I have ry square is equal to r square into this 1 by 4 is here, right? It's not 4. 1 by 4 goes to the other side. 1 by 4, and there was a 2 here. 2 r square. 2 1s are, 2 2s are. So it becomes r square divided by 2. So finally, I have ry is equal to r by 2. That's it's r by root 2. R by root 2 not here. Oh, it's here. See, root 2 by 2 into r is nothing but root 2. Decimal is in the denominator. I can write like this, right? I can write like this. This 2 goes away, you get 1 by root 2 times r. So therefore, B is the right.